Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning again.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, sir.
Good. When is today?
Today is Wednesday.
When is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Very good. We are going to look at addition. Everybody say addition.
Addition.
Under addition, we are going to look at number patterns. Can you say number patterns?
Number pattern.
Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
So, everybody, if you have a book, you will open page 38. If you have a textbook, you will open page 38. A textbook. Open page 38. Page 38. You open page 38 here. So, we have make number patterns. Can you say make number patterns? By adding 1 starting from 17 to 27. Fungua alafu angalia ubao. Open your books, then look at the board. Look at the chalkboard. So we start from 17. Everybody say 17. Tuanza hapa, angalia hapa. Look here everybody. Tuanze 17. 17.
27.
Good. Hakuna kuendelea 20. Tunafika 27. By adding 2 starting from 38 to 52. We start from 38. 38 alafu? Abana, you add 2. 38 plus 2 is what? 38 plus 2 is what? Nani anajua mama mkono juu? 38 plus 2? 40. It is 40. Very good. You carry up your hand. Don't make chorus answers. 40. 40 plus 2? 40. You carry up your hand. 40 plus 2? 42. Very good. 42. 42 plus 2. Usiseme, don't make chorus answers. 44. Very good. 44 plus 2? 40? 46. Very good. Don't say if I have not chosen you. Beba juu mkono na unyamaze. 46 plus 2? 48. Very good. 48 plus 2?
50.
Ngapi? 50. Very good. 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 ni ngapi? Nimo. Naseho. 50 plus 2? We are Jui. 50 plus 2 nani atamsaidia? 52. Very good. So wamesema nini? By adding 2 starting from 38 to 52. Let us read the numbers. 38.
38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50,
52. 52. Very good. Also, we are going to look at number 3. Can you say by adding 3?
By adding 3.
Starting from 50 to 80.
Adding 50.
Starting from 50 to 80.
Starting from 50 to 80.
Tunaanza na 50. 50 plus 3. If you know, raise up your hand. 50 plus 3. 53. Very good. 50. 53. 53 plus 3. 55.
56.
56. Very good. 56. 56 plus 3. 59. Very good. 59. 59 plus 3. Hawa. 59 plus 3. Hawa doesn't know. 60. 62. Very good. 62. 62 plus 3. Yes, Ramla nani? Ramzia. 62 plus 3. Ramzia, Jui 60? 65. Very good. 65. 65 plus 3, boys? 67. No, it is not 67. 68. Very good. 68. 68 plus 3? 71. Very good. 71 plus 3? 71 plus 3? 70? 74. 74 plus 3. Girls, 74 plus 3. 74 plus 3. 76. 77. Very good. Nani amesema 77 huyo? Very good. Clap for him. Sunga mkono. Pigia hawa makofi. Sunga mkono. Aya 1 half. Very good. 77. 77 plus 3. 77 plus 3 ni ngapi? Ian. 77 plus 3 anasema 50. It is not the answer. 80. Very good. 77 plus 3 is 80. So can we read the numbers from 50? Let us start. 1, 2, 3.
50,
Very good. Lastly, we are going to look at by adding 10. Can you say by adding 10?
by adding 10.
Starting from 40 to 90. Said, can you come and do that? Said, come and start from 40 to 90. You add 10. 40 plus 10 you write. Paka ifike 90. Up to 90. Kuja fanya. Said ananiangalia hawezi fanya yeye. Wacha huyu afanye Said. Let this one do it. Let this one do it. What is your name? You say my name is?
Zakaria.
Say.
My name is Zakaria.
Zakaria?
Muhammad.
Zakaria Muhammad. Can you do it for us? Do it for us. You start from 40 to 90. 40 endelea. Plus 10 is 50. Endelea. 10 60 Plus 10 70 Plus 10 80 Plus 10 90. Very good. Clap for him. Rub your hands first. You know how we clap here in grade 2 South. Rub your hands. Aya 1 2 half. Very good. So today we have looked at number patterns. Can you say number patterns?
Number patterns.
Very good. This is grade
2 South.
Which school is this?
Elemola.
Which school is this? Very good.